Hello, my friends. Nice to meet you again. P and Q are both prime numbers. Q is equal to P plus 2. What is the remainder of the product of P times Q, divided by 36? Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. Normally, in this case, it is not easy to find the remainder, if it is too arbitrary. The usual way of dealing with it, is to ask if it is divisible. And if not, if there is a dividend-related number is divisible by the divisor. Or at least, there are some special conditions, under which, the dividend, or a dividend-related number is divisible by the divisor. Keeping those hints in mind, we first check if the product P and Q has any unique properties. P times Q is in fact P times P plus 2. So if we add 1, and then, subtract 1, we will get the square of P plus 1, minus 1. The reason why this form is special, is because 36 itself is a perfect square. Therefore, we may try to focus on P plus 1, and check if P plus 1 is divisible by 6. Or at least, if there is a special condition, under which, P plus 1 is divisible by 6. This has the same meaning as that, it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's first check if it is divisible by 2. We know, the only even prime number is 2. However, both P and P plus 2 are prime number. But 4 is not. So P cannot be 2. Meaning that P is odd. So P plus 1 is even, and it is indeed divisible by 2. Then if it is divisible by 3 as well? Again, both P and P plus 2 are prime numbers. The only prime number that is divisible by 3 is 3, so unless P is 3, the remainders of P divided by 3, and P plus 2 divided by 3 are both non-zero. Then, let's take a look what can be the remainders of these two, as well as P plus 1 divided by 3. There could be 3 solutions. If the remainder of P divided by 3 is 0, the other two would be 2 and 1. Or, they are 1, 0 and 2. The last case is 2, 1 and 0. As we mentioned before, the remainder of P divided by 3 cannot be 0. And, that of P plus 2 divided by 3 cannot be 0, either. So the only possibility is that of P plus 1 divided by 3 is 0. So P plus 1 is also divisible by 3. We put them together, and achieve that. P plus 1 is divisible by 6. So the square of P plus 1 is divisible by 36. At the end, the remainder of the product of P times Q divided by 36 is 35. However, please don't forget here, we have not considered the case of P equaling to 3. In this case, P times Q equals to 15. So the remainder is also 15. To sum up, when P is equal to 3, the remainder is 15. Otherwise, the remainder is 35. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.